Hello, I'm Robert Lunte and the CEO for CourseCREEK. We are a boutique agency that helps authors, coaches, thought leaders, public speakers, augmenting L&D departments inside large enterprises create content for your expertise or your employees. I want to share with you something that we've been doing recently that clients absolutely love. We invented a service called on-demand support, or otherwise known as ODS. And it's sort of our contract maintenance model. The nice thing about it is it's very agile and it's very lean in the sense that what we do is we work with our clients and we create a to-do list. And there's two lists that we will put together. A primary list, which is the required deliverables within the 30-day ODS pay period. And then the second list is what we call the wish list. So working with your on-demand support director inside of Slack, what we're able to do is knock out your main priorities. And then when there's time left over in the ODS service, we can then get into the wish list or the secondary list of things they need to get done. With that client user experience, so to speak, we can actually get more done and give you more value because you'll get more tasks completed. And it's flexible. You can turn on a dime, make changes with the list at any time. It's all inside Slack. Yeah, super excited about it because our clients love it. They love the flexibility. And if you're interested in having someone that you can literally on demand, go in, fix this thing right now. I've got a fire, go in and put it out right now. If you're looking for that kind of white glove service, I think you might be interested in this. Thank you.